Imagine waking up every morning to breathtaking views of the Strait of Juan de Fuca. This picture-perfect family home delivers it all. 4 bedrooms, including a self-contained 1-bedroom legal suite, a stunning primary bedroom with vaulted ceilings and a spa-like ensuite, plus an open concept kitchen built for entertaining. This isn't just a home with a view, it's a home built around it. Step outside to your huge deck, landscaped backyard, and great ocean views. For your next home, visit our website at pinnaclehomesgroup.com to make your dream, this house, your reality.